Hey Kelly,
Yeah,
I caught the first fish.
I see that.
You know what that means?
That means you caught the first slime ball.
That means I caught the first fish.
You caught the
I'm
first
probably
slime
gonna catch
ball.
the most,
You know.
and I'm probably gonna catch the biggest.
Really? Really?
Yep.
Is there like a bet on that or what?
Absolutely.
Oh.
First fish. Everybody buys the first fish guy a drink. Most fish guy lunch. Biggest fish guy a beer.
Beer? As in root?
That's the root beer. Isn't that what Bobby called?
But the thing is, you might have caught the first one, but you don't know how much it weighed.
They're definitely the biggest of the day, I can tell you
So
that.
I can tell you this, the next one I catch, I'm going to weigh, and that's the heaviest one.
Well,
Because you didn't weigh it.
I can tell you right now,
You didn't weigh it.
as of right now,
No.
it's
No, no.
definitely the biggest.
No, no, no.
'Cause I believe your fish weighs this much.
No, no, no.
Back to fishing hard.
Oh, yeah.
This one, big. Not that one, it's this one.
I know it's one of them.
Welcome to another episode of Fish Dealer Chronicles. We're back on DC. Got Kelly up front, got Parker in the back. We're trolling for a little while this morning. Then we'll probably go throw for some smallmouth later on. Parker's on number 2. He thinks he's got the hot rod again.
They're torturing me by making me troll.
Trying to teach him how to really enjoy fishing.
Oh, you missed that one?
He missed it. Anyhow, hang out with us. We're gonna put some more fins in the boat. Saved it.
Paved it. Yeah. Oh, good. Wait, like, oh, you got another one, huh?
Yeah.
Paved it. That means more
Paved it.
people.
Hey, just want y'all to know I caught a fish.
It was like a little dink. I'd be embarrassed. It's embarrassing.
Nope, I'm proud of myself. That makes 2 for me. How many for you? A nice bow.
Oh, hey, I got it.
Catching all the fish.
Hey, if you want to reel them in, I'll let you reel them in.
What is today, Thursday?
Yep.
We have watermelon in the water. Is he one of these guys that has that snake in his hands?
Yes.
Play with their shit.
Oh, just leave that there. Don't reel it in.
Another nice bow.
A little bit.
the most, the biggest, and the most species. Golly, I'm talented.
Next time you see that bum on the side of the road, leave him there.
Hey, you got a fish
I
on.
was going to say, I think you got one on.
Ah, boy.
Ah, boy, loser!
All right.
No.
I got one.
He's on the board.
I can go home now.
That was two.
Yeah.
Look, little ones.